Hi, welcome to yet another video on GST info. Today we are going to talk about place of supply. Place of supply is one of the crucial factor in determining interstate or intrastate supplies. One is location of supplier, other one is place of supply. Section 10 talks about place of supply. 10 subsection 1a talks about where the supply involves movement of goods, then the place of supply would be the place where such movements ends. For example, Mr. A of Delhi sends goods to B of Chennai, where the goods starts from Delhi and comes to Chennai, and Chennai is the destination. The movement of goods stops. The place of supply would be Chennai as the movement of goods ceases at Chennai. Subclause B talks about bill to ship to model. In the case of bill to ship to model, there will be three parties. For example, B in Maharashtra orders goods to A in Delhi. A doesn't have the goods and he requests C of Goa to give the goods to B in Maharashtra. So, B orders to A doesn't have the required amount of goods and he requests C to supply the goods to B. So, C at the request of A supplies the goods to B based on the person who is instructed. In this case, the instructed person is Mr. A. The place of business of Mr. A is going to be the place of supply for Mr. C. So, C supplies from Goa to Maharashtra, whereas the place of supply would be considered as Delhi, because at the instruction of A in Delhi, the goods move from C to B. So, this is called as bill to ship to model. Subclause C of section 10 subsection 1 deals with where the supply of goods does not involve movement of goods. For example, Mr. A of Hyderabad comes to Chennai, hires an office with furnitures and he paid for all the furnitures in full. Then the place of supply of such furniture procurement would be the place where the such assets are there. So thus the place of assets are there in Chennai and Chennai would be the place of supply. Then comes the clause CA, which talks about where the supply is made by a registered person to an unregistered person. In the case supplies are made from registered person to unregistered person, the address as mentioned in the invoice would be the place of supply. Where no such address are available, then the place of supply would be the place of supplier. This is very common in e-commerce platforms where most of the buyers are unregistered person, whereas the seller would be a registered person. Circular 209 further clarifies that the place of supply is the place where the goods are delivered. In case of address being different, that is where the billing address and shipping address are different, the shipping address would be the place of supply. Where the billing address and the shipping address are same, then the invoice address would be the place of supply. Clause D talks about assembling or installation of goods. So, assume Johnson lifts from Chennai, procures some order in Hyderabad and installs a lift in a commercial complex. So, all the goods taken from Chennai to Hyderabad and the lift is being installed in that particular building. The place of supply would be the place where such installation or assembling is undertaken. In this case, the place of supply would be Hyderabad. Clause E talks about place of supply in the case of goods, place of supply of goods in vessels, aircrafts, etc. So, assume you board a flight from Chennai and it goes to Mumbai, and during the time the flight flies, you order a chips packet, whether to know which is the place of supply, whether it is Chennai or in Bombay, or I fly in the flight, so I don't know which place it is. The law says that the goods where it boarded would be the place of supply. In the given example, the goods are boarded at Chennai and hence the place of supply would be Chennai. Hope this clarifies the place of supply in terms of goods. See you in another video where we will explain about place of supply of services.